Why do you study English?
I study English because I want to communicate. Sorry.
Very good, very good.
What do you expect from this class?
I expect to develop my English communication skill because I would like to work abroad.
Abroad. Wow. His
Better.
English is better than before.
Better, yes.
Yeah. Okay, keep
Okay.
going. Yeah.
In which areas of English do you want to work on or improve the most, and why?
I want to improve my English speaking skills the most because I don't usually speak or communicate in English with people.
Wow, wow, wow. Keep going, keep going. Next question.
All right. Goodbye. How do you usually start your day?
I usually start my day with the following activities. First, I usually get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Second, I take a shower and rest for about 10 minutes. Third, I have breakfast for about 10 minutes. Fourth, I have I leave home for school at 7 o'clock.
Okay. Finally.
Finally, I arrive at school at 6:30 in the morning.
Wow. Okay. Keep going. Yep.
What is the main challenge you face at school?
The main challenge I face at school is the English class.
English class.
Because I still don't know much English vocabulary.
Very good.
And I cannot write in
English.
Okay. Next question.
Which subjects do you think you're best at, and why?
I think I am.
I think.
I think.
I am better at biology than other subjects because I find this subject is easy for me to understand.
Good. And
I am interested.
interested.
I am interested in studying about life
Life.
and how it works.
Very good. Very
Works.
good. Okay. Keep
And
going. Yeah.
finally,
Final questions.
which subject do you think is the most difficult for you, and why?
I think physics is the most difficult subject for me because there are many formulas to memorize, and I find
I find it.
I find it
it's difficult to apply
to apply
mathematics.
mathematical
Formulas.
Calculations.
And calculations.
calculations.
In physics. Very good.